I'm Peter Haddock and I've found Jake, new CEO of True 7 Group. Jake, we've known each other for a long time and you're here at CONEXPO.
Yeah.
What is the main reason why you've come?
Really to look at the new machines and the new technology. Obviously the world, we were just saying, the world's changing quickly.
Yeah.
And obviously the safety side of things is a big objective for us. But being able to meet the manufacturers and the key people and build on those relationships is part of the reason for being here.
And one of those relationships you've got with Kubota, who you've got here, but another one is with Steelwrist as well. You said you're changing the way you're doing things with the business to be more asset driven on this side of things as well. That's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we looked at the Steelwrist and obviously the tilt rotators are becoming more and more apparent on British sites, which is great, but the cost is high, and we all know that. And the way they have to be dedicated to a certain machine creates difficulties. So we've come up with a different way of doing it, where we'll pin the attachment onto someone's machine and bolt into the hammer and rotation, so that it's not a dedicated machine. As long as the machine's got a good spec, which all of our machines do have, we can on and off them relatively quickly and cost effective for the customer. So if you've got a project where you want one for 2 weeks, you haven't got to pay the transport to get another machine in and out. We work with Leica, the likes of JCB, putting those three items together. It's working for us.
You mentioned the Leica 3D machine control there and the JCB as well, and they're factory fitting that now. That helps you with things like warranties and stuff like that, doesn't it?
Factory fit is everything. The less we can bolt onto the machines aftermarket, the better, I have to be honest. And like you said, from the warranty standpoint, the call outs, the issues, which every machine breaks, everything breaks at some point, doesn't it? There's always a problem. So that's a huge attraction.
And the 3D machine control you've got with Leica Geosystems is, it's taking you now with the tilt rotator elements, takes you into a different field as well, doesn't it? This is all about changing your business as well, isn't it?
Exactly. I mean, we were 60 years old last year, our business, so we've been through plenty of different cycles, and I think we're in the fast lane now as an industry, and a changing industry. But we've got to keep up. And there's plenty of work to do. There's a lot of work around education as well, with operators and people understanding why it costs what it does and what the benefits are, which is a challenge that we all face, not just us. That's the industry, but it is all down to money.
Absolutely, and when you can do that system that you said with the Steelwrist, you've got the cab kits ready, and they can go out when they're needed, and that machine doesn't have to have the Leica Geosystems on it all the time when it comes factory ready, does it?
Yeah, exactly that. So no, we're excited. It's great to be here. Obviously, been a dull old winter, isn't it? So,
absolutely.
So enjoying a bit of sun. I've got dry lips and burnt up, but no, it's great, and it's good to see you as well.
And it's great because we've just talked earlier, folks. We're going to go and see the True 7 Group and see what you're doing as well, and get in the dirt when the weather gets improved. And so hopefully by the time we get back from Vegas, we'll be able to do some more digging. So brilliant to see you, mate. Cheers.
You too. Cheers.